Hey guys, welcome to my tiny. I'm just going to show you around real quick. Here's our little fireplace area. You saw the beautiful creek. I can't help myself, so I'm growing something. It's really cold here, so at night I just cover them up like a little mini greenhouse. And I'm growing radishes and cucumbers. No lettuce, I guess, not this year. Alright, let's walk this way and look at solar. I had to redo the solar this year. Again, a couple little plants, little herbs. I need a little work here. So I've redone the solar. I've got a couple panels, and my charge controller went out this year, so I had to reconfigure my charge controller. It's working pretty good. We have some other little panels you can do backpacking, or they're more portable. So we use those like things like the iPads and phones and whatever, USB charges. We've got another one here that works actually really good. It's a 15 watt, and I really like that one. It's nice. So let's come on up here. Having the deck is super nice. It adds a lot of space to the tiny. So in here's my solar. I'll go ahead and turn on my inverter here. And here is our refrigerator. It's actually been working. That way we don't have to go through a lot of ice. It's really nice. Okay, let's go ahead and go inside. So with the solar, we do have a little bit of light. I don't want too much. I don't want it to be like a regular house. I want it to be off-grid. So that puts off a lot of light at night. This here puts off quite a bit of light, and we've got a kerosene lantern too. So I went ahead and put the table on wheels so we can move it around. Last night we had it wheeled over, and we used those for some seats for the couch, bed area. And then underneath we have a couple drawers from some old dressers that you can pull out, again on the wheels. Nice bar stools, they fit under here. And then when I'm sitting here, sometimes I'll be watching my phone or something like that, and then I can pull this out and use it for like a little side table. So it's pretty nice, pretty versatile. It's pretty cold here, so we went ahead and put in a little fireplace with a brick chimney, which is really nice. And although it's pretty dark here, there's a little fan and it heats the place up really nice. So we went ahead, and when we put the little second story on the attic, we left this area open, and it actually gets it really warm upstairs, so there's a lot of ventilation. This area, I saw this on one of the videos once, and it works really nice. I'm not really a builder. I don't really know what I'm doing, so to get things square and plumb and hinges and doors takes a lot of work. So I saw this. It's really nice. I like it. You just use curtains. And then you can use it for changing. It can hook here, and this hooks over, and then you can just stand back here and change if you want some privacy. And then it goes back over the closet. And then I went ahead and put a second one here, so it can block out privacy from the back. We added this, which is super nice. It's one of those dog screen doors. So it's really nice to get some cross ventilation, really easy to put in. Okay. It's dry cabin, so we got a Berkey, so we can actually filter the river water, and we've done it. And we put red dye up here, and it flows out clear, so we're really pleased with this. It's dry, so all the wastewater from the sink goes in this bucket, and then we'll dilute it and dump it, water some trees when we're done. And we just have a couple little, it's amazing how much stuff you can fit into a tiny. So we have a couple drawers here for food, plates, silverware, etc. I like a lot of the hooks. They allow you to hang things. They're super easy to put in because we don't have power, so we don't have a lot of power tools. So you want to be able to do a lot of stuff by hand. Over here I made a little screen door. And again, this is just the kind of stuff I'm talking about. It looks really simple, but it takes a lot of time. Again, no hand tools or no electricity. because my solar wasn't working. So it's just hand saws and then screwing everything in by hand, and no pilot drills or holes or anything like that. So then this just goes in. It's a little bit of work. And then we can then use this at night so animals don't come in, and it gives us a lot of cross ventilation, so it's been really nice. The only thing with, I love the A-frame, but the thing that you do realize is you lose a lot of space. So like this, you know, it can only go over this far because of that A-frame shape. And you'll see that as you go upstairs. So here's upstairs. The stairs are super nice. And I'll tell you why in just a second. So it's got a full-size bed up there. The window. The one thing I really like about the stairs is this handle right here. And so, especially as you're coming down in the morning, or you have something to hold all the way as you go all the way up. And it's been really nice. So the other thing I like that I didn't realize is as you're coming down, you can hold it. And I love grabbing this bar right here. Because if I feel like tired or whatever, it's night, it really gives me a lot of stability and security. So I really like that bar. So this has turned out really nice, the stairs have. So thanks for looking at my tiny. There's a lot of work to do. There's always work to do. And it's not perfect, but it's been fun and it's ours and we love it. We love being in the mountains. So take one last look around and enjoy.